So here we have two colors only. Let us make it like a sepia tone coloring. I am using brush number 6, round brush. This is acrylic color. So all over the area I am using a single tone color. Just leaving the eyeball white. So the first color wash done. Let us give one more layering. So wherever the color is dry, that area, let us do the second color wash. Second color wash done. Now let us take the brown color. It is already wet surface. So let us find out where are the shaded area, because some areas having the shading because of the light. Some area we have to keep as shaded part. For example, if the light source is coming from here, we have to shade all the area like this with the brown color. Needed to leave all textures there. I am doing wet to wet shading method. So already the surface is wet. Where the light falling area we have to draw with a thin line. Before it is getting dry, we have to reach all the places. Next, taking a new brush. So after dipping the water, let us excuse for making it dry, then giving smooth blend with that brush like this. Only 10% area you need to blend like this. Don't use color everywhere. So let us do one more shading with our brown color. This time we have to make some patterns, as this is folding and here it has one decoration. We giving pattern, and this is like hair. More area in this part we have to make darker tone. in this part, because this is the shadow area, that's why. So again, taking the wet brush and making it smooth shade. So this is the simple coloring method for sculptural art. Next level is we have to make more darker in our painting. Before that, we have to wait for getting our paint dry. Then only we can do more detailings. So for the dress, if we want to make beautiful pattern and design, we can use the same color tone and give the pattern. This is the simple painting method you can follow. I am giving more depth here. Okay, fine. So this is our statue painting, sculpture painting. Okay, so practice this. Thank you so much.